I started generating income. I'm tired, child. I do not want to go, okay? Oh my God, what is that? Oh my God. What's popping, y'all? I feel like I always start my vlogs in the car. March 1st. It's March 1st. Happy March. I feel like 2022 is like going very, very quickly. I am on my way to drop my son off at school, and then I'm going into the office this week and today, unfortunately, because I would rather work from home permanently, but we're working this hybrid schedule. Also, y'all, okay, your girl has finally started generating some income. From what, you might ask? I started generating income from my affiliate links in my not my bio, in the descriptions of my videos. I put affiliate links of things that I'm talking about, and I get a commission if people click on the links and buy something from the affiliate links. And people have been buying up that Urban Outfitters like perfume that I love wearing, okay? So thank you guys so much. It's not much, it's just like a small amount, like a commission. Like for every bottle of perfume, I think I get like $5 or something like that. But this is like the first monetary like amount that I'm making off my channel, and this really supports my channel. So thank you so much, you guys, for clicking on the links and buying stuff. Like, I've gotten free products and stuff like that before, but I haven't been paid for anything that I've been doing on YouTube. So I really appreciate you guys for like clicking on the links and supporting your girl.
It's my strawberry letter for today. The subject.
Why me? Why me? What time is it? It's time for lunch. That was so lame. So your girl is on her lunch break, okay? And I have a Target order to pick up. I don't even know what I'm eating for lunch, but I know I have a Target order to pick up. I might actually get my order and then go inside Target. Okay, y'all, we got the stuff. Now I need to find something to eat. Okay, so I went to Harris Teeter and got me like something from their little hot bar thingy. I've never gotten anything from there, but it's close to my job, child. And I only got about 30 minutes left on my break, so I need to go back to work, eat my food. Okay, y'all, so I'm eating my food outside on our little like terrace thing that we have at my job, because it's just so nice out here. Let me show y'all my food. So this is what I got. I got their General Sauce chicken and rice and string beans, I guess. So we about to see what it's hitting on. I never come out here to eat my food. Oh my God, it's a bee. To eat my food. Oh my God, it's a bee. To eat my food. Oh my God, it's a bee. Bruh. Okay, it's going. Okay. The only thing was sitting out here is bugs for one. And the sun is like beaming on me. I gotta take my jacket off. Child, it's hot. They ain't had no fork, y'all, so I'm in here like trying to get it done with a spoon. Ugh. I didn't realize that I smack when I eat until like I was going back through my video. Like, I recorded myself while I was eating and I was editing the video, and girl, I was near. I was like, oh my God. Okay, y'all, I'm off work, and my mom had some running around that she needed to do, so I told her I'll come with her. But she went into the store and I'm in the car.
Hey, Mom.
With Nicholas.
Can I download this song game?
No.
That you can make songs with, and I want to try.
No.
Please.
This is going in the vlog. People gonna see that you be mean to me.
I'm not mean to you.
They gonna be like, oh my gosh.
I'm just asking, okay, guys? I'm just asking.
Nicholas is so mean.
I'm just asking, okay, guys?
Stop yelling. Why? Control yourself.
I'm not yelling.
Control your anger to
No
not
anger.
make you
I don't
want
have
to yell.
anger.
Oh, she's coming out already. Dang, she's back already. I thought I was gonna get like a good nap in or something.
Exactly, bro.
What's the name of the game? Maybe I might let you download it. Couldn't do it.
We had to get them from the statue.
Bro, we still running errands with my mom. Like, now I'm hungry.
Same here. I gotta get some Chick-fil-A, no cap.
You gotta get some Chick-fil-A, no cap.
Finally. Say hi.
Hi.
Finally. Good morning. I feel like I'm always in the car when I'm talking to you guys. Me, my mom, and my son is about to go get some breakfast. I was craving Waffle House, so that's where we're on our way to. Also, if y'all watched my video on me wanting to wear my hair curly, this is what we got going on. I know 1 minute my hair was straight and then the next minute my hair is curly, so my bad. But I was having some scalp issues. Like I was having some, I don't know the first word of the dermatitis, like it's some form of dermatitis, and I was having some like scalp problems, so I had to use like this medicated shampoo to fix my situation. And I think it was because I was going too long without washing my hair. When you got scalp issues, you can't be like going months at a time without washing your hair because it's really uncomfortable. So I washed my hair and I really didn't feel like straightening it, and I just wanted to see what was going on with the curls, see if I could bring it back with all the hair straightening I've been doing, and I was, so I'm glad. It came out so quick. This is butter.
You want me to open it? Here, take mine. Yeah.
I don't know. Yeah.
Okay, so I hope y'all can hear me. It's windy out here. But after we got done from Waffle House, I went home and was knocked out. You hear me? Like, slumped. Okay, so I took like a 3-hour nap, and it's actually gorgeous out here. So I took Nicholas to the park, and I can't believe like my son is the big kid at the park now. Okay, so now y'all, we done made it to the basketball court. This is basketball court, not too far from where we was at, and it has like 2 courts, and one of them was open, and we had the basketball with us, so we about to try to do something, child. I don't know why he be wanting me to play with him. What's up, guys? So we are on our way to the skating rink. I'm tired, child. I do not want to go, okay? I almost stayed home, but we're here. The skating rink is like 30 minutes from my house. Niggas in the back, not listening, being bad. Anywho, we're going.
And I just gotta let you know that I'm ready, feeling your style. Cause I had.
Okay, y'all, so Nicholas has his first cooking class today. Like, I signed him up for a cooking class, and I'm really excited to see like how it goes, how it works. Like, they're supposed to be doing like kitchen safety and a couple meals, and it's for the month of March. So I'm gonna see if I can get some footage of what they're doing, but it seems like it's gonna be fun. Nicholas, you excited?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
And then they said it's probably,
Yeah?
oh, How am I gonna go?
It's your birthday. We gon' party like it's your birthday. We gon' sip Bacardi like it's your birthday. And you know we don't give up, it's not your birthday. You can find me in the club, bottle full of bub. Mama, I got what you need if you need to fill a buzz. I'm into having sex, I ain't into making love. So come give me a hug if you're into getting rough.
What's up, what's up, what's up? Okay. It's a little shaky because I'm holding it with my hand, okay? I'm on my way to work, y'all. It's Tuesday. It's Tuesday. And I'm on my way to work. I have not been on here in a few days. But I'm super excited today because me, my son, and my mother is going to see Batman when I get out of work. So I have something to look forward to when I get off today. So I'm super happy. Slept the whole movie, eh? Bless you. You awake? Slept the whole movie. I want to see that too. What's up, you guys? Okay, so I came on here because my hair looks really cute. Okay, look, me trying to do styles and stuff. And I just got my eyebrows done, so I'm looking together a little bit. Okay, but I really came on here because I kind of wanted to debrief Batman a little bit, and it's not gonna be any spoilers, okay? But if you want to skip like the next minute or so, go ahead and do that if you want to. But really, I just wanted to kind of like talk about how, I don't know, like Batman was cool. Like the last couple of hours were cool, but that first hour was just slow, honey. And I don't appreciate them using homie from Twilight as Batman. Like, he wasn't really muscular, he didn't have the voice. Like, they could have gave him like a voice changer or something, something to help out, but he just wasn't giving Batman. But I do like their cast for Zoe as Catwoman. She did a great job. Like, she did a really good job, and I would be really like happy to see them give her a movie, give her like a Catwoman movie. So she really made the movie for me. Like, for me, I'm just glad that they used her. So but yeah, I didn't like him as Batman, and I don't think that they should have made it as long as it was. Like, it was so many parts that could have been cut out. But my mom thought differently. Like, my mom loved it. She loves like storytelling and getting the backstory and things like that. So my mom really, really liked it. Nicholas slept the entire movie. It's like from the first scene when it says Batman, he was knocked out, and then he slept up until we left. So I tried to wake him up, and I was like, yo, I'm not taking you to the movies no more because he be knocked out, y'all. Let me know y'all thoughts of the movie if you've seen it. Like, let me know what's up, because maybe I'm tripping, but a lot of people felt the same way that I did. So okay, y'all, so I am not a big sushi eater. Well, I'm not a sushi eater at all, okay? But, oh, my hair's sticking up all right here. But so I got some sushi for lunch because I wanted something different. Now, I tried a California roll one time when I was out with some friends for lunch, and I don't know if I liked it. Like, I'm gonna try it. I got some sushi, and I'm gonna go back to work and eat my food and try it and see what is hitting on, child. Okay, y'all, so I'm eating my food in my office today, getting my drink together because I'm scared I'm not gonna like it, and I'm gonna be stuck like when I'm gonna eat. I got some chips if I don't like it, but they also gave us like little, what's this, chopsticks? Yeah, and some soy sauce. So this is her. So I got the California roll. It's got some avocados in there. Yeah, got my jacket on because my shirt has my job like name on it, and I don't need y'all know where I work at, child. I don't even know how to use chopsticks. Let's give it a smell. I don't know what it smells like. Okay. Okay. I don't know, y'all. Like, I don't know if I like it or if I don't. I definitely know I can't eat it without without the soy sauce. I don't know how I feel about the seaweed part. I just ate a really hot. Oh my God, what is that? Oh my God, what is that? Yo, I'm pretty sure what I just ate like touched the wasabi. I think that's what it's called. When I tell you, I almost had a heart attack just now. Like, that stuff was hot. Like, I almost started crying. I was about to be like, what did I just eat? Lighting is better, yeah. Walking backwards. Okay, hey guys. We are at the park. Say hello to Nicholas and his friend. These two. You ready? You a master?